Hello, welcome to the HERBAL program. HERBAL is an acronym that stands for Hands-On Education and Research for Biomedical and Analytical Learning. Today I'll be showing the HERBAL Lab app. This is a 3D and VR interactive lab experience focused on plant-driven medicinal compounds and pharmaceutical workflows. The goal is to give students and researchers a safe, accessible way to explore lab procedures, understand where important compounds come from, and walk through processes that typically require specialized equipment or facilities. So instead of just reading about these processes, you can actually experience them from plant sample sourcing all the way through laboratory analysis. From the development side, this project brings together a lot of different tools. The core application is built using the Unity game engine, which allows us to create interactive 3D environments with full VR support. We use Git and GitHub for collaboration and version control. Blender handles most of our 3D modeling and environmental assets. Our web platform and main site are currently hosted through Firebase. Additionally, we use Cloudflare Workers for lightweight backend functionality, including data routing and digital signatures for exportable session data. We are currently developing across multiple platforms, including WebGL for browser-based access, Windows and Mac OS for desktop builds, and the Quest 3 headset for immersive virtual reality. To give some insights about the environments in this app, our main laboratory scene takes inspiration from the labs inside of Aberdeen Hall and are designed with real laboratory equipment at the Department of Pharmacy. Our garden is the URI Heber W. Yenkin Jr. Medicinal Garden, right between the Woodward, Aberdeen, and Tyler buildings on campus. And we're also working on a tropical ocean location to expand our medical compound library underwater. Right now, our primary storyline focuses on Taxol, a well-known anti-cancer compound derived from the Pacific yew tree Taxus brevifolia. The modules in the app demonstrate sample collection, extraction of the Taxol compound, and chromatographic evaluation of those extracts using HPLC. We are also exploring additional analytical methods, such as MTTSA, where different concentrations of Taxol are applied to cultured cells to assess effects on cell viability and cytotoxicity. But this is just a starting point. Our broader goal is to explore additional plant-based compounds through these simulated laboratory modules. For now, we're going to skip the tutorial where the user learns the basic controls and importance of PPE, personal protective equipment, and go directly to the garden for sample collection. In the garden, you'll find a wide variety of plants, some of which are actually grown at URI. Before collecting samples, you can explore each plant, learn about key compounds, and see how these compounds are used in medicine. Once you're ready, you'll collect samples from the Pacific yew tree, including bark, leaves, and fruit, which will be used in the following lab modules. After that, you move on to the extraction module. Here, the main goal is isolating the Taxol compound from the raw samples. You walk through procedures like tearing the scale, preparing a solution using ethyl acetate, separating layers with a separatory funnel, concentrating the extract using a rotary evaporator, using a centrifuge to clarify the sample, and storing the extract for future analysis. After extraction, we move into the HPLC analysis, high-performance liquid chromatography. In this module, you'll load solvents, insert HPLC column, set the flow direction, load your samples, and go through analysis process, including reviewing the results. Looking ahead, we'll be expanding our app to use our current modules for the investigation of more medicinal compounds, as well as exploring new tropical ocean environment, looking at ocean-derived compounds from plants, coral, and other marine organisms. And that's HERBAL Labs, a combination of virtual labs, real scientific workflows, and interactive learning. Thanks for checking it out.